Hi everyone, it's Allison. I'm in my room today. I just wanted to show you guys. I got my picture up and it looks really, really good. And I framed it with duct tape. And also, I have an unboxing that I was just going to put away and I forgot I hadn't shared it yet. So we'll go over and do that. But here is my picture right here. It turned out really good. This is the first time I've used the magnetic frame, and so far it's holding. The top looks a little crooked, so I'm gonna have to fix that. But so far it's holding, and yeah. So I just put that, and I put a command strip on, hanging it off a command strip. I will remember to fix that in a minute when I get done with this. Alright, so let's go back to my table and we will unbox this other painting. I'm going to put you on pause for just a second. Alright, I'm back at my table. I found on Amazon, I found a Diamond Art Club painting that somebody had just shown. I don't even remember who it was that I saw that I thought was cute, and it was a good price. So I got it, and I haven't even unboxed it yet. Well, I think I did. Yeah, I did look at the diamonds because I was curious. But everything's still in here. So, sorry about my messy desk. I got Fishy Business by Luca. It's 22.8 by 22.8 or 27.8. 9 inches by 11 inches, and it has 25 colors, 1 AB, and 3 fairy dust, with a total diamonds count of 8,383. So not too many diamonds. And it is a full diamond painting. It's not a partial. So I'm gonna open it. Let's open it and see what we got. I need to clean off my desk. But I do remember opening this now that I am, because I stuck that in there. And there's the toolkit, and I did get a trading card in here, and I think it was a bronze. If anybody wants it, go for it. If anybody wants it, let me know. I'm not going to use it, most likely, so I might keep it. I don't know. But here's the, whoops, I need to do this again. Okay, there's the picture, and it was backwards if I remember right. Here's your key for your stickers. I don't use the stickers. I probably could. Actually, I probably will. I usually don't, but I probably will this time. So let's, and here's your toolkit. I'm not going to open it. And then I've got a thank you for your purchase with the card in it. So I think it was a bronze. And your toolkit. So I'm not going to open it. Other people have done unboxings on toolkits. So it's an older toolkit. It doesn't have a cover miner on it, but cover miner in it, but it's an older kit. So I'm just opening this. I don't have much room space here, so I'm doing the best I can. Alright. Here are your drills. And I'm going to pause this again real quick, and I need to roll this backwards again. I did it once already, but I guess I have to do it again. So, just a minute. Alright, here is the picture. Hold it up like that. It's a pretty cute as cat reaching for the goldfish. There are 25 colors. And then, like I said, there's 3 fairy dust and 1 AB. I think 1. Yeah, just 1 AB. So, it's called Fishy Business by Luca. There is a lot of color blocking in this, which I'm okay with. I don't really like color blocking, but I just did a picture and finished that dragon picture, and there's a lot of confetti, so having one with color blocking might be good for some once you just finish a confetti picture. I might bling up the eyes. I'm not sure. But anyway, that is the picture, and here's the drills. You got right here, you got a fairy dust. Has a little shine to it. I've never actually, until I opened this, I've never seen a fairy dust in person. So they aren't as pronounced as I thought they would be. But here's another one. I am going to open this pretty soon, but with one hand, I don't know if I can, so I'll just show you those two. The other one is like a black or dark brown or something for fairy dust. That one. I don't think it's that one. And then you got your green and your pink, and then there is like a black, and then the AB is an orange for the fish, looks like. So will be on the ABs will be on the fish. The black, it is a black AB or gray, dark gray, will be in the cat. The pink one is the check mark, so it's gonna be all around the background. And the green will be in the water down here. It's the P. So there'll be some. It's a small painting, so the specials will really show up, I hope. Anyway, that is all I've got for you right now. I am using these baggies that I got off of Amazon and kitting up trains, so I don't have enough, so I have more space, because those baggies, they go on like a key ring, so go on a key ring, so they will not take up as much space. And I did notice that this, I'll turn this back around again, just notice that this has the perforated lines on it, so I can tear them off once I do a section, and don't have to use don't have to have it covered all the time. So I haven't tried that yet, so that'll be interesting. That's all I've got for you right now, other than my other than my completion that I just showed you. I got hung up and doing these. This is what a finished one looks like. This is what I just kitted up and showed you my picture. So hopefully I did ramble a lot today. Sorry about that. I just wanted to show you this quick little thing, and then once I get started on another picture, I will let you know, show you and let you know. I'm looking for the wood piece that I'm looking for, that I have, that I don't know where it went. That's what I want to start next. So yeah, anyway, sorry I rambled on today, but thanks for joining me. If you like this kind of content, even though this one wasn't great, like this video and subscribe to my channel. And I'll have some sports stuff coming up this fall pretty soon, so I'll have that as well as diamond painting. And like my video, and I hope you guys will come back to my channel. Thanks for watching. Bye.